Welcome to this video. Hi, I am Saravanan from UTAR and I will walk you through the application process. Firstly, go to the UTAR website as shown on the screen. Select the Apply Now tab and choose Step 02, Apply Online. Under Apply Online, select Foundation and Undergraduate Program for international students. If you are first-time user, click the Sign Up button. Register with your email address, which you can later log in with the same email address. After login, select your preferred intake session and click New Application. Please submit only one application per intake. In the future, you may contact UTAR Division of Admission and Credit Evaluation, in short DACE, using the application ID provided via email to admission@utar.edu.my. Next, go to the personal information page. Please enter your personal information, passport or national ID information, correspondence address and other details. Before clicking the next button, you need to declare your health condition. If you have a history of physical, mental health difficulties, conditions, kindly specify it. On this page, choose a program and a campus. You can choose from up to 5 different degree choices. The prefix campus is the location where you will study for your bachelor degree. When you are done, click the next button. In this section, you need to fill up both O-level and A-level qualifications detail. If you are applying using your diploma or other qualifications such as foundation, certificate or bachelor's degree from another institution of higher study in your country, please select other qualifications. Also, you can fill in your English language proficiency results such as IELTS, TOEFL or others equivalent. Please remember to upload the supporting documents later. You may skip the co-curricular section if you do not participate in any activity during your schooling. Please fill in your parents' or guardians' details so that we can contact them in case of emergency. In this section, you must fill in your immigration visa details for the EMGS approval requirements. If you are students or previously studied in Malaysia, you need to fill in the school and program details before proceeding to next section. Kindly specify the sponsor or parents' detail if applicable. Or you can skip this section by clicking Save and Next if not relevant. If you require UTAR to arrange an accommodation, please let us know by making your selection yes and click Save and Next. After verifying all the informations, re-put your email address, click the declaration and PDPA checkbox and continue to the next stage. Now, in this section, you will see the Upload Documents option. Upload all supporting documents, including your passport, academic result and school leaving certificate. When uploading your documents, please keep in mind that the maximum file size is 5 MB and that changes made after the pressing Upload All Documents buttons are not allowed. Therefore, please ensure that all the documents are properly labeled and attached. Dear applicants, please note that all information must be completed before we can officially process your application form. Your offer of admission may be delayed due to incomplete form. If you are facing any problems or wish to make any changes after uploaded all the documents, kindly email to admission@utar.edu.my. After receiving your completed application and supporting documents, we will notify you through email. Alternatively, you can check the status of your application on UTAR website by clicking the Admission Status Enquiry. I hope you find this video guide useful. We have compiled a list of frequently asked questions to help clear any doubts. The link is displayed on the screen. We are pleased to receive your application to UTAR and look forward to welcome you as a student. See you!